Delhi Public School, Whitefield, is 2 minutes from this property. The pricing is so reasonable in this particular area. A lot of big builders have purchased. On top of that, the builder is also offering. Now we are at Soparnika Euphoria. Soparnika Euphoria is the new project of Soparnika projects. Soparnika has delivered more than 60 projects in last 5 to 6 years in Bangalore, and this is the latest project from Soparnika. This project is located just 15 minutes from Hope Farm, Whitefield, and this project is spread in an area of 8.1 acres. Now, if you talk about the location, if you are working in ITPL, if you are working in Whitefield, or if you are working somewhere in Old Madras Road, then this property makes perfect sense for you, because this property is located right in the middle of Old Madras Road and Whitefield area. So, connectivity wise, this property connects to all the major tech parks of East Bangalore. Manipal Hospital is just 20 minutes from this place, and Delhi Public School, Whitefield, is 2 minutes from this property. This project will offer you all the world class amenities with a 25,000 square feet clubhouse. We have 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK available in this property. 1 BHK starts from around 500 square feet and 2 BHK starts from around 1100 square feet, and 3 BHK is being offered in the dimension of around 1400 to 1500 square feet. And the good part is the pricing is so reasonable that it becomes affordable for every home buyer. Who wants to live in the hustle and bustle of city? We all look for peaceful location when it comes to our homes, right? This property will offer you a peaceful living. This project will offer you access to city also and peaceful living as well, because this project is situated in the midst of thousands of acres of farmland, and there are no high rise that are planned surrounding this property. So this is going to be the only high rise premium project in this location for a long period of time. So it's a golden opportunity for home buyers, and I think if you're looking for a house and if you want to invest money in real estate in Bangalore, then this project makes a perfect sense for you in terms of pricing. You can expect a very good appreciation in this investment of yours, because this in this particular location, in this particular area, a lot of big builders have purchased big parcels of land to the tune of 100 acres. There is a so this area is going to develop into the next residential hub of Whitefield. So this is the right time to buy a home in this location, because in the coming years you can expect a lot of development and a lot of appreciation for your investment. On top of that, the builder is also offering no pre-EMI offer for the next 2 years. No pre-EMI means there won't be any EMI charged to you for the next 2 years. All the interest part will be taken care of by the builder themselves, and the EOI amount is just 2 lakh rupees. So hurry up, because we are collecting EOIs for a very limited period of time, and if you want to invest in this property, then please speak to us.